Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can change the scroll bar color in Webflow, so let's get started. If you want to customize the look of your scroll bar in Webflow, you'll need to use a small piece of custom CSS. Webflow doesn't offer a built-in scroll bar styling option, but the good news is that adding your own is super simple. First, open your Webflow project and go to the Page Settings or the Project Settings and Custom Code section, depending on whether you want the scroll bar style on one page or across the entire site. Inside the head code area, paste the following CSS. You can customize the colors however you like. Change background and scroll bar track to update the track color. Change background color and scroll bar thumb to set the thumb color. Adjust width to make the scroll bar thinner or thicker. After adding the custom code, save the changes and publish your site. Once the page refreshes, you'll see your new custom colored scroll bar applied instantly. This is a great way to match your scroll bar with your website's branding and create a more unique, polished look. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.